Most common pronunciation mistakes in English. In our classes, these are some of the most common pronunciation mistakes that we see. So today we're going to look at them. Okay? The first one is could and would. Words that end with O-U-L-D. The problem here is the L is not pronounced at all. Some of my students try to pronounce it a little bit, but no, nothing. Could, would. Wood is the same pronunciation as wood madera. It's the same pronunciation as wood, W-O-O-D, the material in the trees. So could, would, no L. The next one, Pam and Cam, again, no L. Not even a little bit, okay? So Pam, Cam. For example, you have to calm down or let me see your palm. Okay, no L, nothing, okay? The next one again, no L. Walk and talk. There is no L in could, Pam, or walk. It's difficult because you see the L and you want to pronounce it, but no, it's not there at all. Okay, another one that I don't have on this list is doubt. D-O-U-B-T. Doubt, you don't pronounce the B. The B is silent. I have some doubts about the approach, for example. So moving on to irregular verbs in the past and participle. Some people have difficulty with the pronunciation of these as well. But if you know the rules, it's quite simple. You can see here they're divided into 3 lists, but basically you need to know that if the last consonant of the verb is D or T, it has an extra syllable. For example, needed, hated, dated, or seated. These have the extra syllable. If it doesn't have a D or a T, it doesn't have an extra syllable, even if it's difficult to pronounce. If you look at row 2, you can see lived, chilled, enjoyed, tried. These are not so difficult to pronounce, but they don't have an extra syllable. In the third column, it's more difficult to pronounce and it's more like a T. For example, shopped, picked, wished, crunched, asked. These are quite difficult to pronounce and they do take some practice, but there isn't an extra syllable. Okay, I'm going to pronounce them all again one more time as a review. Could, would, Pam, Cam, walk, talk, needed, hated, dated, seated, because it ends in T or D. Lived, chilled, enjoyed, tried, shopped, picked, wished, crunched. I hope that was helpful. If you like that, please subscribe and check the link below to grab our free ebook to help you improve your English.